My introduction to Triumph was obviously through the movie James Bond No Time to Die, where I got involved with them and they were supplying the bikes for all the movie stuff. We then had a massive part of the durability program for the MX bike. From that, I was running my own enduro race team, and that's really how we've ended up where we are going to be announced as the official enduro team for Triumph Racing.
So when I first came to test the bike, I was super impressed with how it felt straight away. You know, we haven't done much to the bike. We've just put some different handlebars just to make it feel a little bit better for me, and that's pretty much it.
Our goal is to run a very production-based bike for the EnduroGP and the SuperEnduro team. And yeah, we're just going to take it on board that our goal is to build a great bike and to get it out there in the public eye, and really with the riders that we have, show what this bike's all about. Testing's been going really well. It's been exciting now to be able to start with the new bike and a new team theoretically, so that's been really interesting, and certainly the feedback from the rider regarding the stuff that we're doing now, which is obviously SuperEnduro testing, has been really positive. For us, it's a learning curve as much as anything, and we are like really into the project, should we say, whereas like everything's moving forward. And certainly we get some great feedback.
It's really cool to work with Paul. Obviously he's done so much in the past, and he's done all pretty much the developing with the bike, so he knows the bike inside out. So to be able to work together and make a team together, I just think it's going to bring on good results.
It's a privilege to have someone like Jonny Walker announced on the team. Get to work with a high-end rider, as it were, but also a good guy. And I think between my experience and obviously himself as a top-class rider, we should achieve some great goals. To have, you know, a British bike, a British team manager, and also obviously a rider such as Jonny Walker, it's exciting times. I mean, you know, I couldn't wish for anything more. I didn't think I'd be in this position where at the end of my career and doing some movie work, to be sat here talking about an official Triumph team that is going to be managed by a UK guy and have such a great UK talent on it.
So being back in a factory program is good. You know, the last 3 years I've done everything on my own, so to come back, we've already done more testing than I have done in the last 3 years, so that's cool. There's obviously a lot more to do, and it's just good to have the backing that you can focus more on racing, so then yeah, hopefully we can win some championships. It's a cool project, you know, to be the first person to be signed by Triumph to make history like that. So yeah, it's really cool, and I'm just excited to get to the races and get going. To join Triumph for me is like unbelievable. English brand, English rider. I don't think it sounds any better.